net, and then people be holding like 2 pieces of hair down like this with the net, and the person will glue it to their scalp. If I had that on my head, I would be trying to reach up under the little swoops and scratch. Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, it is currently 3:29, as you guys can see. And I am getting ready to run out soon, like in a couple of hours. And as you guys can see, my hair is a mess. I'm going to run out. I wanted my hair to have like just a little decent look to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put some twist in my hair and let it sit, and then take the twist out. And I just want you guys to see that how I can do a twist out on my hair, and it actually can be, you know, a pretty simple, cute hair. So the products I'm going to use is this pink oil moisturizer. I'm going to use some Eco Gel and water. And I have my comb and I have my brush. Okay guys, so let me get started with twisting my hair up. Let me see, I think I'm gonna do my part this way probably. Just do a little part. So what I'm gonna do is just comb my hair out a little bit, and then just put a little water on it, and then put this moisturizer on and just twist it up. So when I say I'm going to get a little bit of water, this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to take my hands up under this faucet and just wet it just a little bit. And that's all the water I'm going to have, just a little bit to just graze through. That's all the water I'm going to get. You know, just finger through my hair. You know, and I might just get a little bit, you know, just run my hands up under it. And just make sure that, you know, it's saturated to the end. Not too much, because you know this weather, this is winter time, so you know this weather is up and down. 1 minute it's hot, 1 minute it's cold. And guys, as you can see, I have my neck scarf on because you see my hair is coming out already, and all I'm doing is fingering through my hair. So yeah, so my hair sheds really bad. So that's another reason why I have this hair scarf on, because you know I do not like for my hair to shed. I don't like hair to be on me, period. Like, I just don't like it. So I'm just going to take the pink oil moisturizer. I'm not going to take too much, just a little bit, just to, you know, add a little moisture to my hair. And all I'm going to do is just twist it. That's it. Now, mind you, my hair is dirty. I hope my elbows not ashy. If they are, charge it to my heart, guys, because I done took my shower. I just need to lotion up and stuff before I get dressed. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to add a couple of that. See how my hair is shedding? Guys, comment down below if you know if it's anything that I can do. Like, basically, you know, if it's something like some type of product that I can use to help prevent hair shedding. Comment down below if you do twist outs on your hair. And if you do, what products do you use? I'm sure it would be better if I had a water bottle, but this ain't gonna be no fancy schmancy video. This just me twisting my hair up. Because, you know, I'm pushed for time and just want to do something quick to my hair. So sometimes, guys, to be totally honest with you, if I'm going out and about, or if I'm getting ready to do something and I want my hair to look a certain type of way, I'll go ahead on and twist it really quick. And then I'll just go ahead and throw my clothes on and just take the twist out. I'll do that. Guys, for 2022, I will be, you know, adding a couple or a few hair routine videos to my channel. Put it like this, I am someone whose hair has changed over the years. To be totally honest with you guys, when I was younger, I might have got a perm maybe once a year. And then, to be honest, I haven't had that many perms. I do dye my hair, had a sew-in, and guys, I'm 44. I've never had a sew-in. Hold on 1 second, my throat getting dry. That's good. And what I'm drinking, I actually boiled some ginger and garlic together, and I cut up 2 slices of lemon and put it in there. That's what I'm drinking on. Yeah, guys, if you're new to my channel, I actually love to drink garlic and ginger water, or just garlic water, or just ginger water. Comment down below if you like to boil garlic and drink. Like I said before, I've never had a sew-in. I've never worn a wig before. I've had my hair braided one time. My hair has always been fine all my life, and I've had, like, you know, my hair was thicker some years ago, and my hair was in way better condition than it is now. A lot of shedding going on with my hair in certain areas on my head. But you know what? It's okay. I'm going to work with what I got. If you are someone who hair has changed over the years, and you are someone who hair may shed a lot or might be thinning or dry or just totally different than what you're used to, comment down below. And also subscribe to my channel, guys, and become a chat partner, and we can talk about it in the comments. And also, you can leave me suggestions. I can leave you suggestions of what I do, or you can leave me suggestions on what I can try, and I can try it and film it for you guys. Look at that hair that's in my comb. Just want to show you guys, like I said before, like how I style my hair. And, you know, just also show you guys like different products or different things that I'm doing to achieve a nice hairstyle. Because to be totally honest with you all, when you become older, well, I'm not going to say even when you become older, it doesn't matter what age you are as a woman. And I'm only speaking as a woman, for women, or for me, because I am a woman. I can say it can be the same for a man as well. When you losing your hair, it really makes you feel some type of way. I know for me, it makes me feel some type of way. And to be totally honest with you guys, sometimes you guys, it can be a daily struggle for me. Just for the simple fact, I'm like, I don't really know what to do with my hair. I be self-conscious because certain ways I can do my hair. If I part it a certain way, it'll look just thin up in here and real stringy. Or I be thinking like, I don't want nobody standing over me, or just be cautious. Like, I'm like, how my hair look in the back? Like, is it covered up some? Or just, I feel like I just sometimes feel like the attention can be on me as far as my hair. Like I said, being a woman and, you know, trying to find ways to do my hair, it just can be a struggle, and just trying to find a way. I don't want to part it too much, and then you don't want to, you know, wear it back too tight too much because it's thinning up in here. And then, you want to have your hair looking nice. Put it like that. I know for me, I want to have my hair looking nice. As I told you guys before, I've never had a sew-in. I've only had extra hair added to my hair one time. And that was like over 20 years ago. Now, back in the day when I was younger, I used to get, when French rolls was in, I don't know if y'all know what that is, but a French roll is when you get your hair like tucked in like a roll. You know, back then we had the French rolls, we had the banana peels. So stuff like that, those was cute hairstyles. And I used to get my hair done like every week, you know, with other styles like that. But I've never been the type of person to like do other hairstyles. However, it seems that I may have to start looking into adding, you know, additional hair to my head. One thing I was thinking about trying maybe is micro links. I did also think about maybe trying maybe a sew-in then in the near future. I just don't know how it would affect my hair bed, being that my hair is thinning and it sheds a lot. Like, would that put more strain on my scalp? If you are someone that has that information or has knowledge as far as if a person has thinning hair in this area, and if they do a sew-in, if it will add more strain to their scalp or hair follicles, or if I was to get micro links or tension to my scalp, I don't know. So if you do know that, comment down below, let me know. I'm not a person that's a fan of a lace front, if that's what you call it. I don't know, whatever this trend that's been going on for a while, that everyone is getting those wigs, which nothing wrong with it, because if that's what you want to do it. So many people that's getting those wigs put on, and then they had the little baby hair swooped right here, all that stuff swooped. To me, I ain't trying to be funny, and I hope I don't offend anyone, and if I do offend anyone, I do apologize ahead of time. I just know for me, I just feel like if I was to get one, which I might get one day, I don't know. However, if I was to get the hairstyle that when they put the thing on your head and the girls it's like a net, and then people be holding like two pieces of hair down like this with the net, and the person will glue it to their scalp. And then, you know, once they glue it to the scalp, they cut that off and put a little headband on. And once that's done, the girls had the little gel, and they be making them little curves on it. To me, I just feel like if I had that on my head, I would be trying to reach up under the little swoops and scratch, because to me it just feel like an itch or something. I don't know if it feel like an itch or just like an itch to me, but I just feel like I would just take that whole thing and be lifting up under there and just scratch it. That's just how I feel. That's why I never looked into actually getting one of those. That hairstyle on me, I'm just saying. But you know, to each his own. We all have to find what we want and what we looking for. I think sometimes it's good to just come up with your own thing and not always follow the trend everybody doing, because it seems like that's what everybody is doing to their hair. A lot of women, and there's nothing wrong with it. $3.49. As you guys can see, it only took me 10 minutes to twist my hair. Actually, it don't even take me that long, but I was running my mouth talking to my chat partners. That's why it took me so long. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take the Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just put it here.
So I can just brush my hair back a little bit, and just put it here.
5:37. As you guys can see, it hasn't been 2 hours yet. So what I'm going to do now is just take my hair loose. What I did was I got my Luster's Pink spray. So I'm just going to spray a little bit in my hands. Rub my hands together and just take my hair loose.
Take this loose and this.
Voila, there you have it. Okay, guys, so what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm getting ready to spray my hair just to add a little shine to it so it won't look so dull. Okay, and then I'm going to just take my fingers and just go through my hair like this. So what I did was I just tried to make sure that my little, you know, sections wasn't open, that they was closed. I didn't have like any, you know, spots that was like bald, and I had to cover those up. So yes, I'm just take it, you know, just do a little this, just this a little bit, this to it, you know, to give it a little body. Guys, you see what my curls look like? So guys, this is what my hair is looking like. It look a whole lot better. Guys, it doesn't take much to just throw a little water and throw a little product. It don't matter what kind of product you use to tame your hair when you go out and about. And you could just make up a cute little style. This is a little simple little style with some little waves. And yeah, I mean, they got wigs that look like this, wavy, what is it, wavy wigs or something like that. Well, look, the wet look or whatever the case may be. So I need to dye because it's gray right here. But yeah, guys, so I like the way my hair came. My hair wasn't even twisted for 2 hours. So you can't beat that. You can't beat that with a stick. So guys, again, the products that I used was water, Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion, a little bit of Eco Gel, and the Luster's Pink Glosser. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you all. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and like and comment this video. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye.